Yes, family, peace and love. One love Africa. I'm here as Ricardo. You know me from Reggae Flavors, aka Slogan. So we're on our way going to Mount Kenya. This is a journey I've been waiting for since I'm in Kenya. So I'm gonna be on the road, see what it's like around in Kenya because I haven't left Nairobi since I've been here. So it's time to see what's going on and show you guys what Mount Kenya is like and the vibes that we're having. So stay tuned. Make sure you leave comments and anything you want to ask, any question you need to know, we'll give you the answer. So stay tuned. Come there, you know. One love Africa. Yeah, family. So we're here right now at the Ruby's gas station. On our way going, so we stop off to get some coffee and something. So as you can see, this is the gas station. On our journey, on our way, trying to get something to bite. Hello, good morning. Yeah. White coffee. White coffee? Yeah, man. Anything. Rust, what? Espresso. Yeah, man. So, we'll follow up back with you guys as soon as we get our coffee. Our day, you know, so. What's the Rasta? You want something for the camera?
Bless up. Welcome to Africa.
Welcome to Africa. Welcome to Jamrock.
So these are tree farming.
Here.
We're doing tree farming, yeah.
Tree farming.
Yeah.
Say plant tree to sell it back? Or
Sell
the
the
land?
wood when it grew up.
Okay.
So this is probably blue gum.
Blue?
Blue gum.
Oh, here.
Yeah, so they use this to make telephone poles and things like that.
Oh, these
Quick.
trees.
Yeah.
Oh. Rice farm. Muya. M-W-E-A. Muya. As far as you can see is rice. Where are we?
We're at the foothills of Mount Zion, which is Mount Kenya.
Straight
so,
up.
Remember that whenever you come to Mount Kenya, you can visit Mount Zion, which is the mountain of Ephraim.
Yes.
Mount of Yah.
Straight up.
The Mount of Yah, the Mount of Sugunina, the mountain of Tatazambi.
Yeah, man.
Bob Marley said.
Straight up. What Bob Marley really say?
Bob Marley say all the
Zion. That's right.
What is Bob Marley say?
Creation. That's right. So you sit there.
We're jamming.
Right there. At the center of Equator. Yes.
Yeah,
so now you guys know
good Mama Africa. One love Africa. Roll out time. Alright. Spiritual water coming from the mountain, going up to Mount Kenya.
Make sure you guys take my pictures.
We will do that, of course. We will do that. Spiritual water. Yes, my family, we're here in Kenya. Trying to get the water, but we're going to go to a better location. A better location we can get the water, spiritual water, for prayer, praying, healing.
Yeah, man, I see him too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and I see him family as well, I see him too. That are coming back.
Where's the Al? All the water taste.
Life coming from the mountain.
Life coming from the mountain.
Yeah, everything else is alive.
True. Natural water.
So I think we're just at
What?
Meru. We're just at the border of Meru County now.
I want to go over there.
Yeah, people, so we're here. Going to Mount Zion. Chad, we are tried it. Going back to Mount Zion. You understand? So we are at the foot of the mountain. Going up. Looking at the spiritual water. One Love TV. Bringing you this live. No fake, no makeup news. No additional stories. Live so you can see everything natural. Real. Try to give people what they want to see and expose a little truth so people can see what's going on here. Yo, Africa nice see, man. Watch out. Look at the land. You see me I say? Go across the road and show the people what I want. Watch out, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, people. So see it here. We're at the equator, where the world has cut in two. Chopping off, yeah, man. Right there, so.
And over here is the Nile, which you guys call the Amites, and you have the Cushites, some of them over here. So. And so the really, all of this is really for them, you know, the Amites. I feed them this and all of this are ours. Because some are Ethiopia. Well, Ethiopia is really part of us some of it because of the interbreeding that took place with Solomon and Sheba. So there was a joint force, yes. So in it, you're going to find Bantus.
A lot of Bantus.
That consider themselves as Hebrews or Israelites.
Yes.
That are that reside currently in Ethiopia. But they're really part of the Bantu nation.
Okay then. Okay then, sister. Talk to them, Bridget.
So as you can see, right here in the center, what we'll call the Congo.
Congo?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Mount Kenya is literally the center of it. So this is Mount Kenya looking out at the nation.
The nation.
So this is where Mount Kenya is.
It's like the eye. If you're looking at it, it's
Mount
like an
Kenya.
head.
The eye.
It's like an eye.
Yes, right there.
So,
So Mount Kenya is like the eye.
Yeah.
So this is where Mount Kenya is.
Okay
So
then.
all of this here is Mount Kenya and what's it called? The Congo.
The Congo.
The Congo with a K, like King Kong.
Not to a sea.
Not with a C. So everything that you hear C is actually a K.
K.
So
They change it.
Congo is the promised land.
Congo is the promised land?
Yes. Congo is the land of milk and honey. So
Really?
Congo, all of this, so all these people would have gone up
But they
to
say it was
Congo.
South Africa. It wasn't?
No, it's not South Africa, it's the Congo.
It's Congo.
The Congo is where all the mineral is at.
Yeah, that knowledge of the sister herself.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
man.
even when you go to the Congo, you're going to see how rich it is.
Yeah?
They actually, yes.
We need to take a trip go to the Congo next.
The Congo.
To give the people who are viewers what's going on.
Right, but some places we're not able to go because of the crime.
That's true.
We're
The
not
violence,
gonna
the
be able to-
war.
they're not gonna be
Displacement
able-
of
Yeah.
people.
Right.
See?
But the Congo sit in the middle, so that's where we gotta go. So our people,
Yes?
Ghana, all of this here.
Yeah, Ghana.
Forget how they paint it, because they paint it bad anyway.
Yeah.
But the whole of this here, all of this,
Yeah.
all of this is the
Equator?
equator.
Okay.
So Nigeria, all of that
under the
is
equator.
part of the Bantu nation.
Okay. That's why these nations
Zambia,
are strong.
Gambia, what's the other one? Zimbabwe, all of that are Bantu people.
Okay.
South Africa's are Bantu people too.
South Africa, yes, they
Yeah.
are.
Yeah. They speak another dialect called the Kosa, dialect with a click.
Yeah.
Right. There with a click. Come here, let me tell
No,
you
no,
something.
what you say dialect?
See a cow there? On the equator. Right at the peak of the equator, the cow there. You understand? Africa. Africa, unite! So my people, as I'm saying right now, we're just here, my friends, on a journey to Zion. So we're reaching the equator right now, and we have a lot more journey to go, a lot more mileage to cover. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys more. I wanted to show you guys some more on the road, like place that we're passing through, but we're going so fast. It's very windy at times. That's worse. Where we're on the top of the hill, it's very windy. But I'm going to show you guys around so you can see for yourself. We're in Kenya, at the equator. There's more to see. Journey to Zion. Walk with me to Zion. It's me I say. Yeah, people. See it there? Yeah. We're at the river. The peak of the mountain. This water is the holy water that's coming from the mountain. Mount Zion, Mount Kenya. The water is so cold, you don't need refrigerator. Yes, the gang. So, for this water, you can actually drink. You can drink this water. You can shower in this water, but bear in mind it's very cold. You wash your face, because I just washed my face. I'm going to show you guys. Yeah. See? Watch. Healing water. So, legends say, or what they said, whenever you use this water, if you're feeling sick, ill, or feel like you're dying, you should come down here early in the morning, drink some of the water, pray over the water, and take a bath, and you will be healed. Trust me. Legends say that. So let's put to the test and go ask the locals that live in the community at Mount Zion. Chad, we had tried it.
God ordered for you. Because you know when you are born, God ordered some blessings to you. But once you are tied by some spiritual ties, love ties, and genealogy ties, maybe the curses of the family, when they hold you back, they hinder you from getting the blessing that was ordered for you by God.
like them are free.
So when we do the ritual,
cool.
you do the rebirth, you connect yourself back to the blessing of the Almighty, so that you can get the real purpose. You get the real purpose of why you are here. So that maybe Jah can bless you and enlarge your territories and enlarge you family-wise, business-wise, idea-wise, wisdom-wise, all these things. Yes, you get them from the ritual.
From the ritual of this water.
No, we have said about God.
So what's your name now?
My name is Joseph.
Joseph.
Yeah.
From Kenya?
Yeah.
Where in Kenya are you from?
Nairobi.
What tribe are you?
I'm Kikuyu.
Kikuyu?
Kikuyu.
Kikuyu!
Yeah.
Original Bantu. Okay then.
Yeah.
Yo, so tell me about those rocks.
These rocks, yeah,
Yeah.
come from holy water.
The holy water, as you can
this
see.
holy water.
Everyone's legs and foot is in the water.
Yeah. They are cleansing themselves here.
Yes?
From holy water.
Yes.
Up from the mountain.
Yes.
This water, not.
And you can pick some stones.
Okay, these stones here.
Yes.
If you put these stones in your house.
In your house.
In your house.
Yes.
Take these stones. Name maybe your child.
Yes.
Name maybe yourself, name it to your name.
Yes.
And no bad omen can come in your house.
No bad element, no bad energy, nothing bad, no negative.
Yes, no negativity.
So
in your
these
house.
stones purify your home.
Yeah, they purify your home.
Oh my gosh, this
And
is
if you
good.
carry it by your name,
Yes.
yes, and you put it in your house,
Yes.
it purifies even
It
your
purify yourself.
Yeah,
So if I put that my name on that stone
Yes.
coming from this holy water
Yes.
and I put it inside my home,
Yeah.
it purify me. Anywhere I go, no bad energy.
No bad energy.
It's a
As
spiritual.
long as you have it everywhere you go.
Yeah.
Like in your car, you
Yes.
put it in your car.
Yes.
No bad energy, no negativity.
No
bad
negativity.
omen. Yeah,
Okay. Really?
Because it has, you have a
This is the
symbol
only
of
holy
Yes.
holiness in
Of holiness.
yeah.
That is why a lot of people come here to get healing.
To get healing
Yes.
here in this water.
Okay.
To get,
And me myself, God uses me to heal.
You yourself, God used you to heal.
Yes.
So you're a
God
healer.
uses me.
You're a healer
Heal.
person.
I have done that for the last 10 years,
10 years, one
Yes.
decade.
including Kenyans and other people from outside the Kenya.
Yes.
Yes, because I've been ordained by God to do that.
That's nice. That's nice. That's nice.
Yes.
And you're Kikuyu also.
Yes, I'm a Kikuyu.
Okay.
A typical one.
Yeah?
Yes.
So the Empress is Kikuyu.
Yes, he's a Kikuyu.
So Kikuyu crew, I like
Yes,
that. I like
she's my
that.
wife.
Your wife?
She's the one, the holder of these
Okay, okay.
that I have.
She's one. The
Yes.
power.
Yes.
I like that. I like that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so people, tune in to One Love Africa. It's your guy Slick Ricardo, aka Rick. As you can see, we're here with the holy water. I just washed my face even look clear. Oh my gosh. The place, yo, the water is so cold. Anywhere in the world that you are, you should come here. This reminds me of Jamaica, because we have something like this in Jamaica. Big up Jamaica, big up Yard. You understand? Yard and abroad, big up. So right here, Mount Zion, right at the foot of the mountain. Them call it Mount Kenya. So pull up right here or drop your comment, ask the question you need to ask, email us, whatever you need answers for, we'll give it to you. You understand? Day trip. Me and the crew are here.
Really?
Yo. I'm a thing. So make sure you're not tune in, viewers and subscribers, give a comment, share the video so people can see. Yeah, man.